Today, you will learn how to create multi-level list in Word. First, type your list with each item on a separate line. Then, select the entire list, go to the Home tab, click the Multilevel List button in the paragraph group, and choose any built-in multi-level list style. Your list is now formatted. To create a sublevel, place your cursor at the beginning of the line and press the Tab key. Each time you press Tab, the item moves one level deeper. If you want to move it back to a higher level, press Shift-Tab. You can also select multiple lines and use Tab or Shift-Tab to change the level for all of them at once. If you want to choose a specific level manually, click the Multilevel List button again, point to Change List Level, and select the level you want. To change the numbering style for the entire list, open the Multilevel List menu and choose a different style. If you want to customize the numbering, alignment, or formatting, click Multilevel List, then choose Define New Multilevel List. Here, you can change how each level looks, including the numbering style, indentation, and starting number. Then, click OK to save your changes. That's it. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe.